The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Martin County, southeastern Watonwan County, until 2 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Tremont, or 13 miles northwest of Fairmont, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Martin and southeastern Watonwan counties, including the Ormsby, Fox Lake, Eccles, and South Branch. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio.